this is gonna be a bit crazy question. What's the biggest orgy? Because you're David's assistant. What's like the most girls you've seen him with at one time?
Bueno, él me está preguntando que cuál ha sido la orgía más grande que yo le he visto a él. O sea, cuántas peladas al mismo tiempo.
Como 8.
Yeah, she's right, like 8 girls.
8 girls.
Yes.
8 girls. Yeah. What's the biggest date that you girls have been on together?
The big date?
Yeah, with David. What's the biggest date you girls went on together? Like the biggest date.
I remember we was with girlfriends of David, and also one of the girls that he was trying to meet, we was like almost 20 there.
20 girls.
Yes, we was at the Gringo. We was at the Gringo. We take some pictures outside the restaurant.
Wow.
Remember? And I saw the picture and I was like, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, how many girls?
20 girls on a date?
It was like the girls that was in my school, like in my...
Oh my God.
Yes, in my school. I was like, it's almost my school.
That's so how does that work? How do 20 of you girls go on a date at one time? Like,
I mean, all of us know how is the dynamic, and it's like just chill. We talk, we
giant dinner table.
Yeah.
How do you all get there?
The table and stuff.
Yeah, like how do you get to the restaurant? Do you all just meet at the restaurant?
Yes, sometimes we come to his house and we go to the restaurant. Sometimes just meet in the restaurant. Always I have to call before, like, hey, you have a table for these too many people.
Almost. Yeah, so we're going on a date of 20 girls.
20 girls.
20 chicas. That's crazy. So how do you get to the restaurant? Ubers or like?
Yes, Uber.
Wow. All right. Call it Uber.
And always he pay for the cars.
Oh,
always.
wow.
He pays for the cars.
What a nice guy.
Yes, he always did.
What a nice guy. That's crazy. All right. So that's really interesting. So David told me about his rules. What are the David rules?
¿Cuáles son las reglas de David? No drugs, no prostitutes, don't be late, replay faster, no jealous girl, no striker, just buy, and also no boyfriends. I mean, girls who has boyfriend, she's like, hey, I have boyfriend, but I want to meet you. He's like, dude.
Okay. So no boyfriends, bisexuality, no prostitutes, no drugs, always be on time.
Does boyfriend include like seeing other guys?
No.
Okay.
So exclusive.
But I don't know if I understand, but we can, for example, if the girls have like dates outside, it's okay. I mean, if a girl have a boyfriend, the thing here is no problems. I mean, this is always about to enjoy. This is always about to have a good time. If a girl have a problematic boyfriend, they will be in problem, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So if maybe, for example, when I was one of the girlfriend, I was dating sometimes on Tinder, but also I was spend time with him. But he don't have problem with that. I mean, there's no guy to come to fight with him for that. No, nothing. But girls with boyfriend or managers, angry manager and stuff like that, it's like, no.
Just no boyfriend.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
When you say managers, what do you mean by managers?
I mean, we had before one girl that she's a webcam, and she was like the girlfriend of one of these manager of webcam studio.
Okay.
And this girl didn't tell David. And then this guy was sending really bad messages for him. And
no.
Yes.
Like threats and violence.
Yes.
That's scary.
Yes.
Crazy. What happened to that girl?
We just blocked, and I told her like, hey, let
Blocked.
this guy alone because it's your fault. I mean, you was honest, and yes. And we moved David apartment.
Okay. Wow.
Yes, for his security.
Yeah. Wow. That's crazy.
I love that.
You're like his personal concierge for everything. You're like move his apartment, translate for him.
Sometimes I feel like his mom when I cooking for him.
Oh my God, that's crazy. That's insane. Wow.
I definitely gotta hit the block button more often.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Oh my God.
Block.
So a lot of the girls, you guys have like, a lot of the girls in Dave's girlfriends are like OnlyFans models or webcam models and stuff like that.
We love the webcams. They're so open minded.
Okay, cool. Mm-hmm. So I heard because Cali is like the webcam capital of Colombia. Is that true?
I think, él me está diciendo que él cree que Cali es la capital de los vuelos webcam. Yo creo que es Medellín.
Medellín.
Oh,
Yes,
Medellín
I
is?
think that Medellín is more.
Okay. But there's still a lot of girls in Cali who do, because like I'm from Canada. Even in Canada, there's tons of girls. In Canada, muchas chicas tienes OnlyFans. Is the same here?
Que aquí varias chicas tienen OnlyFans y que también me dice que varias chicas en el grupo pues hacen webcam y todo el cuento. Sí, es cierto.
Okay. Yeah, I've dated tons of girls who do OnlyFans. So the question is, do you guys all do OnlyFans together? And does David always ask you girls for permission before posting your girls?
Me está preguntando que si nosotros hacemos contenido todas juntas con David y que si él nos pregunta o nos pide permiso para montar todo, las fotos y todas esas cosas. Sí,
Igual.
yes, he always asks for that. I mean, he take pictures and everything, and he's like, "Hey, girls, can I post this?" And I mean, even in his OnlyFans, there's no like specific pictures, stuff like that. It's
Okay.
always in our OnlyFans.
Oh.
And even in the rules say that he always asks for permission.
Wow. Okay. Wow. It just sounds like this. Honestly, this whole dynamic just sounds like so fun and so happy.
Yeah,
So
he's
crazy.
take care
Seems so healthy.
all the details. He always take care of all the details to make the harmony. And it's like little by little we just found out what we need to make the girls to know.
So it sounds like, yeah, everyone's very happy and it's very healthy and everyone gets along and all the girls are friends and everything's good. It's like a giant
Yes.
party.
I mean, it isn't like always like a Disney movie or something.
Okay.
We have hormonal time. I mean, sometimes the girls are just like, in the mood to go out. They
Okay.
are not in the mood to be in the pictures.
Okay.
No, don't want to talk or just, but nothing real like a big deal.
All right.
Yes.
Cool. Gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. I've been teaching dating, soul skills, and Daygame for 10 years in 50 plus countries, 6 continents, to thousands of guys in person just like you. And I love teaching guys this stuff. So if you like this video, please make sure to do me a favor and leave a thumbs up on this video. I really do appreciate that. Now, if you want to follow me more closely, you can go ahead and follow me on my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2, and watch my daily Instagram stories where I'm always partnering with hot girls, doing exclusive events, crazy shit on my daily Instagram stories. Make sure to follow me there. You can see me traveling around the world in real time, doing amazing things, and teaching guys like you in person every day on my Instagram. And you can message me on my Instagram as well. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram and message me there. And if you want to actually call me, you can call me at justinmarc.com. We'll do free consultation calls. You can actually call me and we'll do a free discovery call where we can get you on the right action plan to change your dating life and your social life at justinmarc.com. And if you guys want to dig deeper and watch more of our more exclusive content, go to wingmanpodcast.com and watch our Wingman podcast on Spotify, Apple, and all platforms. And we'll see you guys very soon in a new video. My name is Justin Marc, and I'll talk to you very soon. Peace out.